Hello everyone. I'm going to go over exactly how your child will log in to Google Classroom for the first time. So the first thing they're going to do is open up their Chromebook, go to Google, and type in clever.com. If they're using a school computer, there might actually be a link already there saved as a bookmark. So they type clever.com, and once they go there, they'll see a page that looks like this. They're going to click on this as login as a student. Once they do that, they'll see this here. And in the past, they did badges maybe as a third grader, but instead they're going to put their username and their password. And I sent that to you through Class Dojo. And once they put that in, then it will open up to a page that looks similar to this. And they're going to click on Google Classroom, this one right here. And once they do that, they'll find a page that looks like this, but it'll only have one open. These are mine, so ignore these. But this one right here, Gordon's Class 2020 to 2021, that somewhere will have a spot that says join. When you click on that, it'll take them to our page. And this is our page here. So this is what I need every single student to do, because on Wednesday morning, they're going to click on this link right here, this Meet link, so that we can have live school. So thank you. If you have any questions, go ahead and message me on Class Dojo.